Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Let's solve this math. 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 will give us what? 0 times 9 minus 9 will give us 0. 0 times 0 is equal to what? 0. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, we have to first of all solve what is inside the bracket. Then before division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So let's see the correct answer. Now, we have to rewrite this question like this. 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9. 9 times 9 will give us what? 81. Here will be 9 minus 81 minus what? 9. Remember there's invisible plus here. So the simplest way to get your answer here is this plus cancel this one. Plus 9 we cancel out minus 9. And our final answer will be what? Minus 81. This is our final answer. So our final answer is what? Minus 81. Thank you.